How good is a summer spent with loved ones? Honestly, there's nothing better. Not when you've splashed out at our Black Friday sale. Picture yourself in a spectacular backyard setting, whiling away leisurely hours with your favourite people in your favourite place. Well, this is your chance to make it happen. To shape the perfect summer for a steal. One filled with crystal clear water, irresistible conditions, a vibrant atmosphere, comfortable temperatures, and pure serenity. Normally, the very best costs the very most, but our Black Friday sale means you can splash out without the guilt and still get all the good stuff. So go on, put your summer in the hands of Australia's leading pool and spa equipment specialists. Get superior products from top brands at the best prices, all delivered with world-class service. Visit poolandspawarehouse.com.au and use the code FRIDAY for 10% off store-wide, plus free shipping. Don't scrimp on family time. Splash out to ensure your best summer yet.